I love kitchen gadgets. This is the 6-inch stainless steel mini whisk. Surprising how many times a day I use this thing, but it almost seems too small until you actually use it and realize how often you use it. Perfect size for coffee, sauces, eggs, anything that a full whisk would feel ridiculous. But stainless steel wires are firm enough for everyday mixing and not flimsy at all. Fit so easily into a mug, a small bowl, or even measuring cups without splashing. Dishwasher safe, quick to rinse, easy to grab and use often. Comfortable handle size, works well for even the kitty hands. Great. Again, I can't say how often I use this. It's just so convenient, but a handy little tool that if you cook, you bake, or you make coffee, you're going to use it all of the time. Best for small jobs. It's not meant for like whipping cream or doing some big mixing, but a nice addition to a kitchen where you want tools that are practical and easy to grab without digging through drawers. Highly recommend this 6-inch stainless steel mini whisk.